Square say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kikutanka kukuya pa nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chukwa ka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe tapigirai nyaya yabuditswa ne Newswalks yo yabuda. She explained the political agenda ya President Emerson Mnangagwa vabuda on their ex-endo vachitora vachiti the Zimbabwean President Emerson Mnangagwa's path to 2030 is now increasingly becoming clearer. Vachitora vachiti varikuda kubisa harmonized elections, harmonized general elections, so that parliamentary polls ayo arikufana kuitwa muna 2028 postponwe aitwe muna 2030 muri Zimbabwe. Zvikunzi this information yakabuditswa nema ZANU-PF insiders yakabuda achitaura iye achiti vaMnangagwa vakutogadzirira kutonga kusvika 2030. That's why even the slogan 2030 vaMnangagwa vanenge vachitonga iri kupushwa nemasupporters ebato reZANU-PF. So zvikunzi ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa is the one akaasignwa kuti aite basa iroro, just like zvaakaita mugore 2015 apo pakaita ma elections aifanira kuitwa muna 2008 awedzerwa achitwa muna 2010 muri Zimbabwe. Zvikunzi the Zimbabwe's presidential and parliamentary elections akaitwa 2 years apart muri Zimbabwe. So they are trying to enforce izvozvo muri Zimbabwe zviwanikwe zvichidzokorodzwa. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi zvakare. Zvikunzi the captured opposition citizens coalition for change iri kusapota zvinhu izvozvi muri Zimbabwe, vachitaura ivo vachiti unless paitwa ma-reforms they are not going to apana ma-elections achaitwa kusvika ma-reforms aitwa muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga Newswalks yakabuda vachitaura vachiti Mnangagwa political agenda explained. Zimbabwean President Emerson Mnangagwa's path to 2030 is now increasingly becoming clearer. He wants to decouple harmonized general elections so that parliamentary polls are held when due in 2028 and the presidential elections in 2030. According to ZANU-PF insiders, this will be enabled and facilitated by relevant legal arrangements to ensure that to the 2030 vaMnangagwa vanenge vachitonga. ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa will be assigned to work on that, just like the late former President Robert Mugabe did in 2005, leading to harmonization of elections in 2008. This brought forward parliamentary polls that were due in 2010. Zimbabwe's presidential and parliamentary elections were held 2 years apart prior to that. Mnangagwa was part of that process as Mugabe's enforcer. Mugabe, reeling from an unprecedented economic meltdown and hyperinflation amid rising social unrest and fluttering grip on power, initially wanted to extend his rule by 2 years beyond the constitutional limit and without an election, which is what Mnangagwa is trying to do now. But that was rejected by ZANU-PF political heavyweights, then led by the late retired military commander Solomon Mujuru and Dumiso Dabengwa. The resistance campaign reached its height at the Koromonzi conference in 2006 and subsequently during the Extraordinary Party Congress in 2007. The Extraordinary Congress was called to endorse that the party's 2008 presidential election candidate amid infighting and internal strife tearing apart ZANU-PF. Alternately now, Mnangagwa wants elections to postpone to 2030 under the guise of reforms. The captured opposition Citizens Coalition for Change is supporting that, saying there will be elections in 2028. There will be no elections in 2028 unless there are reforms, precisely what Mnangagwa wants to hear. All this follows failure of his original third-term ambition, which was abandoned as it is too complicated because it initially needs a 2/3 parliamentary majority support and then a referendum. Even then, as it is, the incumbent cannot benefit unless it is also changed too. Ndonyaya yakaburitswa muri Zimbabwe ne Newsworks tingaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Ndofunga takaona recently vaMnangagwa vachiitisa maministers avo slogan yekuti 2030 vanenge vachipo muri Zimbabwe. Takaona Shabangu mutauro kwatiri kuita is having madina nana Mai Mnangagwa muri Zimbabwe which ku background they are plotting this plan yekuti my elections right with 2030. Tikaziye kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi.
Honorable Zvese Bvuu Deputy Minister Higher Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development.
Chitova!
RPF oye! Pamberi na President Bvuu Mnangagwa. Mashisti oye! 2030! Vanenge vachimotonga pasine mhandu. Honorable Minister of State